First day on ChurchVault. 5 simple steps to get started. Step 1. Log in at seemychurch.org using the email provided during signup. If the password is lost, click Reset Password. A reset link arrives within 30 seconds. The dashboard will show the bank accounts already added during signup or onboarding. Step 2. Confirm opening balances. Click each bank account. Enter the opening balance as of the day you started using ChurchVault. This anchors every future report. Step 3. Choose how to record transactions. Option 1. Bank import. Click Bank Import. Upload the bank statement as a CSV file. ChurchVault reads the transactions automatically. Review, categorize, and import. What used to take hours now takes minutes. Option 2. Manual entry. Click Income or Expenses. Click Record. Select a category, enter the amount and date, and save. Manual entry is useful for cash offerings and transactions not on your bank statement. Important. Cash entries are recorded for visibility and reporting only. They do not affect bank balances because the cash will still be deposited into the bank and captured through the bank import. On essential and above plans, expenses require approval from a second authorized person before being finalized. Step 4. Generate the first report. Click Reports. Select the period. The system produces an income versus expense summary, categorized and ready for review. Step 5. Claim the free public church page. Click Church Page. Add service times, pastor photo, and a donation link. The page goes live immediately on seemychurch.org. Full documentation is available at seemychurch.org. For support, email support@seemychurch.org.